Amanim, it's your art teacher Ava. So nice to be with you in this time of Cheshvan. It is fall. There is a lot of change happening in the world around us. The leaves are falling, it's getting colder, and the light is shorter. So our days are shorter and the nights are getting longer, so you might be waking up in the dark. Maybe it's getting dark pretty early. I know where I am it is. And so for a few weeks, we're going to be doing art projects that bring us some light to a dark time. So this project is inspired by leaves that I have been picking up all around town and on walks. I don't know if you've noticed any beautiful leaves, but there's so many different kinds and colors and shapes. So you can see this one is kind of a star shape, right? Or a hand shape. And this one has really jagged edges. And let's see. This one is kind of like a triangle. And we have yellow, red, brown, green. So we're going to be using these leaves for an art project because, as you can see, when you hold them up to the light, they are actually translucent, meaning that the light goes through them a little bit, and then that means that they'll glow. So we're gonna make lanterns just using these leaves that you collect and wax paper and a couple other tools that you have at home. We can use this lantern in the morning when we wake up, when we say the Shema, which we say when we wake up and when we go to sleep, right? So when it's dark out, we say the Shema. What's another prayer that we say when it might still be dark out at this time? So we also say Modeh or Moda Ani. We say that at Tefillah every morning. So that is thanking God, just being grateful for the beauty in the world, and that even though the world is changing, that God is always there, and that change is beautiful. So we're going to be celebrating the changing of the season. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. All right, Omanim, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy your lanterns, and yeah, let's just stay cozy and stay in community, and I'm thinking about all of you. Bye.